Over the past couple of years, we have delivered in excess of 120 modular homes to clients across Western Australia. What makes our modular homes unique is our innovative construction method in an off-site facility. Built in our Canning Vale facility, our homes are typically constructed within just 16 weeks, something that is unachievable with conventional construction methods. This enables a scalable, high-quality, cost-effective housing solution. Our prefabricated steel frame construction method ensures that our homes are built to exacting standards and are durable to stand the test of time. And the best part is, you get the same exceptional quality and specification as a traditionally built Summit home, however in a fraction of the time frame. Modern modular construction is an absolute game changer when facing the challenges of the current housing market. Once our homes are transported and delivered to site, site works will commence where the home will be connected to services. We will build patios, carports, driveways, footpaths, landscaping, and this will all be completed within approximately 40 days post-delivery, ready for our clients to move into their beautiful new home.